What is going on, everybody? I got the 110 behind me here. In the last video you see me do a intake install, a TB intake install. It didn't exactly work out the way I wanted it to, so I took the TB system off and I put the original intake back onto it. So it runs a lot better now, so I'll do a quick little video for you guys, just so you can hear how a 2018 CRF110 sounds with a 132cc big bore kit and a Piranha exhaust system on it. So there's the big bore cylinder on it now, and here is the Piranha exhaust system. So I'll fire it up right quick. It might be a little bit stumbly off the beginning. This is a cold start, so we'll see how it runs today. So as you can tell, it runs much better than it did with the other intake. I'm going to send TB an email, or Factory Mini Bikes an email, and see, maybe I did something wrong, but as far as I know, that intake kit is supposed to go with the 132 big bore kit. So I'll definitely send him some video of what was happening there. But other than that, I think it sounds pretty good. It's definitely really a throaty sounding pipe. She's a little cold right now, but so that's just a short video just to display how the Piranha exhaust sounds with the TB 132 big bore kit. I think it sounds pretty good. If I had a 110, I think I'd definitely put this stuff on there, because it's definitely like a nice throaty sound, and it sounds pretty mean. So I'm not sure how it's going to operate in the higher RPM range. That we'll have to find that out next summer when it warms up a little bit. So, but other than that, if you guys want to see more of this build, because there's more going to be happening to this bike, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you next time.